Should you be looking for hybrid golf clubs? If you're a golfer who hates your irons, consider something easier. Golf Clubs for Less offers two products, high lofted woods and high lofted hybrid golf clubs that would be much easier to hit than normal irons for many golfers. We have hybrid clubs and fairway woods that can replace just about every iron in your bag. Many golfers, especially senior and lady golfers, have a miserable time with their long and middle irons. Some hate all of their irons. The main difference between these products and the traditional iron is they have a much bigger sweet spot than the iron. And for the average golfer with slower swing speed, it's easier to hit nice high shots with these high lofted woods and hybrids. These hybrid golf clubs improve the quality of your golf shots, resulting in a lot less frustration and a lot more fun. So if your iron play is not as good as it should be, give high lofted hybrid clubs or high lofted woods a try. Bottom line, you'll find yourself hitting more good shots and less lousy shots. Contact us to order your high lofted woods or hybrid golf clubs. Simply visit golfclubsforless.com or call 888-903-3400.